into Bevmo parking lot looking for a 1966 Sunbeam Tiger. If you've never heard of one before, you're not alone. I have, because I've towed this particular car before, but it's similar to a Triumph TR4 if I had to compare it to something. Little British car from the 60s, obviously. Let's see. Yep, I see ya. Alright. Come on, guy. Let's see. So I'm thinking we go right here and we can push it back. Ooh, let's not back the curb and say we did. Alright. She died laughing when I told her on the phone that I think I've towed this car before. Okay. Hello, hello.
Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good. So just won't start, I'm taking it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me get pictures of the plate and the VIN and we will get it out of here. Excuse me.
First day on the road.
Oh. I was gonna say, I think I brought, you didn't buy this from Barrett, did you? Okay, yeah, I do remember that then. I do remember this car. I think I brought it home from Barrett for you.
No, we drove it home.
Oh, okay. It was shortly thereafter then, because I remember us talking about it.
Yeah.
All right. Plate DS68. Is the VIN somewhere easy?
I think it's under the hood.
I just need the last three, or if you have the registration somewhere easy.
I do actually. It's right.
Okay.
I tried to go through Haggerty.
Oh, good luck.
It didn't like my 15-digit VIN.
Yeah. XFE, got it. Yeah, it says it's
Because
2008 too.
Oh.
What?
It rings up as a 2008 too for some reason. Which obviously,
It's not.
absolutely not. I just had to change it back. All right. So what we're gonna have to do is push it back there because I can't block this entire driveway.
Okay, do you want front forward? You got to pull it in from the front?
We're only going to PV. If we were going on the highway, I would say it would be an issue because the windscreen obviously isn't.
Going about 4 miles.
Yeah. So we should be okay. I'll just go 35, 40. But if you're more comfortable with it facing frontwards, we can totally
do it right.
Okay,
This way.
you got it. Absolutely.
Right. Yep.
So if you want to sit in it and steer it,
Go ahead, Tom.
we will push it. Let's go that way.
You need to understand that
way?
it's very difficult to steer.
Oh, I'm sure. Yeah, let's try to go that way because then that'll get us kind of more over the speed bump so we don't have to push over the speed bump.
Okay.
Wait, which way are we?
We're gonna, the back of the car is gonna go.
So you're gonna go left.
Over the speed
You're gonna turn left, yeah.
Go that way.
Yeah. So we can kind of use the speed bump rather than fight it. Oh, you know what? Hold on. There's more than one way in and out of this place. I'm just gonna back right up to it. We're not gonna do all that. Sorry. Yeah. Changed my mind. I don't feel like pushing. People can go around. This parking lot's not that busy. Oh, that tree just stabbed me right in the stomach. All right. Any Karen tries to yell at me, I'm gonna lose my frickin' mind. Huh? Oh yeah, I forgot we were gonna turn it around. Okay. Of course. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so if you want to turn it to the left, we'll push it up to the bed and then kind of take it from there.
Yep.
Turn it first. Sorry. No, you're good. We could probably turn it while we go. Okay. Yeah. You're good. Yeah. It's not gonna get away from us at all. Good over here. All right, that's good right there. Right on the speed bump. You can leave it just like that. All right. Did I not pull that out? I did not. Slipping. Helps if I release it before I try to pull it. All right. Oh man. Damn. So because of how the brake lines are ran, they go right over the top, so I have to use the metal hook because that's the only thing that can pull it from the back.
Okay.
It just might scratch the paint on the differential a little bit. That's the only reason why I'm mentioning it.
Okay.
I just want to make sure that's okay with you. That's why I'm telling you.
Wait, was there something else that had gone down there?
Not really. We can only go on the rear end, yeah.
Okay.
So I just want to make sure you're cool with that. It's
okay.
all right. Not really. I can tell they're not super comfortable with it. Go ahead. That works too. I was gonna say, before I lay down, let me let her all the way out. Okay. Oh, my hat. All right. Oh. Not just yet. What is with my... I can't talk today. Not just yet. I guess that makes sense, but still, it sounds dumb. Why that's turning like that? Come on, you son of a... There we go. Okay. All right. All right, now you can straighten it out. Thank you. Perfect. So I think the speed bump will help us, but I don't want to drag anything, obviously. I think we have plenty of room, though. This Volkswagen is just sitting there. But whatever. If you got time, I got time, I guess. Can't tell if he has room or not. I thought he was complaining at him. Like, you chose to sit there, guy. These have a 289 in them?
Yeah, it's got a
what the
Chevy Cobra engine.
I don't think I knew that. That's crazy.
That's what makes it special.
No, yeah. That's awesome. I'm like at a loss for words. I would have never guessed.
Yeah.
Alright, I think I just gotta move my backpack because I think it's in the way, but we'll do that and then we'll get out of here.
Yeah, that's gonna be smart.
Alright. Back's a little tight. Hey Siri, pause. I was wondering why it had 2 exit exhaust pipes. And then I looked at the side, I was like, oh. Alright, here in PV. Blocking the entire street. Gotta be quick. It's not a super busy street, but knowing my luck. Slowest bed in the West. All right. we'll probably get it down, push it up, and then I'm gonna unblock the street, and then we can do the rest of it. If you want to steer it, feel free. Just be careful. Can you hold it there for a second? Let me unhook it. Oh. Hold on. All right. All right. Oh, man. There you go. I was gonna say, I think it's turned just a little bit too much. All right, let's hold it there for a second because someone's coming down the road, or unless you want to keep going. I'm gonna go move my truck. I can see the Karen in front of me already. She's making all kinds of facial expressions at me. They're pulled like right up to the front of my truck too. Like, what good is that gonna do for you? Oh my gosh, I can't talk today. Backing it up, boss. Some real patriots right there. Hold on, I'm coming. She's much heavier than she looks.
Yeah.
The car, I'm saying, sorry.
Yeah,
I should have been clear.
Stop.
All right, ready?
Yeah, this way when you come back to pick it up and just back it out.
You got it.
All right.
Am I clear?
Yeah.
Yes. Perfect.
All right.
Let's see.